Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, let's discuss top two vacancies for today. Which one is for from Twitter, the official website we'll be talking about, and the second one is for Revature India. So let's discuss in detail. So for Twitter, the profile is for engineering and 2022 batch pass outs can apply, and graduates can start for their career in Twitter. So the locations would be, outside India, which is foreign countries, Singapore, Sydney, and in India, basically they have Mumbai and Delhi, and Japan also they are hiring for. So qualification is proficiency in Java, Python, JavaScript, C and C++, or any other functional programming language. So it is not that you have to apply for, you should know all the languages, no, but even if you have, well versed with, you are in terms of one or two programming languages, then also it is fine. Familiar with standard software engineering methodology like unit testing, code reviews, design documentation, etc. Then you should have the ability to take complex problems, learn quickly, and solve the problems. Fine. So these are the job responsibilities basically, and graduates can apply. A company description, you all know what Twitter is. It is the one of the very great platforms, social media platforms. So yes, how to apply? You have to fill in the application form. You have to upload your resume here, and yes, you have to submit the application. So do apply as soon as possible, because we never know when the links gets expired. So yeah, do apply. Let's discuss about Revature India. So this is for software engineer, entry level software basically. So freshers can apply for it. So engineering graduates who are BTech, BE in CSE or IT background, or any other major backgrounds can apply. 2020 and 21 batch pass outs can apply for this, and the marks percentage would be minimum 65% in engineering degree without any arrears. If you have arrears backlogs, then you won't be eligible, and 60% in 10th, 12th. The CTC, they are offering 5 lakh per annum, and initially you will get the 5,000 per annum, monthly. Free boot camp training also they'll provide. So you have a great opportunity to work with them, and so basically they'll have online assessment, which is aptitude basically, and the technical and coding questions would be there. Then 101 technical screening would happen, the technical round, and last is the HR discussions. So this is all of, about the Revature India. So apply here, fill the form and apply. So in case you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section, and do share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Till then, have a great day. Be safe.